Run tayo? Ha? Sige? Okay.
I'm trying to help him because he's forgetting that the last word.
Hindi ka nagdansa sa mga Pagkito ka lang, oh.
Mamaya, perfect na ni Reese.
Mamaya. Mamaya tagalin mo.
Tatakbo ulit tayo, ha?
At saka si Lion.
Listen ka. Kung di ka magkakamay, tayo lang mag-play. Secret lang natin, ha? Secret lang natin, tayo lang mag-play.
You're very good, bro. You're teaching the other ones already. Yeah.
Kali ako, lilipad ako. Kasi bird ako eh.
Bird ka.
Oo, lilipad
Bird
ako.
ka nga.
Kaya nga, tapos lilipad.
Ba't may ice dito?
Kasi may eyes yung bird eh.
Ikaw may ice ka din. Dalawa.
And then you don't have to do so many
Para
times.
masaya.
If she knows.
Dapat
Nice.
i-cover mo yung ice mo. at saka-
Yan,
You know the whole song?
ganon. Ah,
Teach her.
tweet, tweet, tweet.
She will listen to you.
At ba't sila dyan?
I don't know.
Mami, daddy.
Yes.
And where's the bird? And then, after Miguel, he will say, Mommy, Daddy, nandyan na sila.
See?
Yeah.
Where's my cat? Where's that?
Sa confession room ba? Ikaw nga, after roar, ano? Mommy, daddy, andyan na sila. Paano?
Paano?
Turuan mo ko.
Mommy, Daddy.
Let's
Turuan mo ko.
teach her.
Waka, waka, roar.
Roar. Tapos?
Si Riz, sweet na magat. Love ko siya. Meow, meow, meow.
Tapos?
Mommy, Daddy,
Anong hands sa mommy, daddy?
Mommy, Daddy, nandyan na sila.
Hey!
Yeah, very good. Very good. Yeah. That's good.
That's good, that's good.
Go. Do it one more time. Let's see.
Tingin ako.
Go.
I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna watch
Tayo na malakas.
Ay, put it for me.
Sean! Sayaw ah. Riz, sasayaw ka yung kakantahan. Ha? Sayaw ang kantahan. Naririnig.
Mamaya, Tino. Guys,
it.